And so they put a lot of emphasis on the top. Very interesting. We'll see if that works in their favor. We'll see if that works out for them. Setting it up. Definitely a unique bridge. It's weighing in at 26.9 grams. And equally expensive as bridge number 1 at $145,750. Setting her up. Bare minimum, 5 pounds. Will it hold? It's holding. It's holding. Zach puts in one more. 6 pounds. 6 pounds, holding 6 pounds. Now it's holding 7 pounds. All right, 7 pounds. 8. 8. All right, they're taking a lead now. Ooh, 8 pounds. 8 pounds is what it held. Awesome, awesome. So far, we've got 3 bridges from Tolman already broken. First bridge from Spurnwink School is the leading school right now. Let's see if the last bridge from Tolman, bridge number 4, weighing in at 31.35 grams. I think looks like the most expensive